Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Google price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. Starting on the daily for the all-time history, we have a 1-2. We are looking at a wave 3 finished, a 4 and a 5 finished in the yellow count here. Your wave 3 is 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5. Currently, your wave 5, not finished. If I say it finished and not finished yet, we see, of course, a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. And we're looking here potentially at a finished wave 4 and still looking for a wave 5 to finish, of course, the main scenario as a wave 5. Currently, in this area, we are looking at an expanding flat A, B, and a C. If we dive a little bit deeper inside it, we can see, of course, inside this ABC, wave 4 has, of course, finished potentially in the blue box as required and as expected. Very nice in the 1.38, 1.618 for an expanding flat wave C. And that means, of course, we are looking right now for something higher and to unfold a new bullish scenario, which it should be, of course, a wave 5 toward the upside. Currently, on the 4-hour chart, we are looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. In this case, of course, this 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 is your wave 1, and then 2, and then continuation simply toward the upside. Don't worry about seeing some red here. Of course, it can be, and potentially it can be, of course, in case it is exactly the 1-to-1 fib level, it should retrace a little bit here. So basically, here we go. Okay, we're very close to the 1-to-1 fib level. And that means, of course, the reaction can start to be a little bit reactive here or corrective, and then continuation toward the upside. Basically, we have finished 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 very nicely for this impulse towards the downside. It has been a long time, a little bit for for Google. That's why you see a lot of stuff. But basically, yes, we have finished a wave 3, 4, and a 5. And we're looking for a continuation for an impulse for higher prices. Let's move internally. We can see, oh, clearly, okay, it's a very nice leading diagonal here. What we are looking at is, of course, a leading diagonal which give 70% of leading diagonal is an impulse rather than A, B, and a C. Very nice indication because, of course, leading diagonals mostly appear in a wave 1 of an impulse, and this is the case scenario potentially as 1, 2, and we're looking for higher. You have currently 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Okay, that explains right now the red that we are looking at. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the wave 1, 2. Right now you still need even lower for 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 to finish a wave 3. And that means, of course, definitely we're gonna see a little bit of red here, and of course to continue a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Let's talk about the targets. Targets for a wave 3, of course, taken from this wave 1 to the wave 2 as an impulse. You're looking at the following scenario here, which is, of course, the blue box that we would like to hit between the 1.27 and 1.618. For a wave 3, much common is the 1.618, of course, always for a wave 3. Meaning we might see, of course, the price moving from 162 to the 183 for a wave 3, then a retracement for the 4, and of course continuation again for a wave 5 here. Don't forget, of course, the timing will be, of course, bigger than this for a wave 4 based on the wave 2. By the way, we have a sharp wave 2, so expect, of course, a sideways wave 4, and then, of course, a wave 5 toward the upside. So this is the path that we are looking for here for Google. Let's watch and see. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.